So we're here with the Omen Rig, which is a purpose-built semi-trailer that unfolds to form a mobile eSports arena. Now it's actually a 25-ton semi-trailer with the largest fold-out stage in the whole of Australia. Esports is a massive global phenomenon, and here in Australia we want people to really get hands-on and get involved in their own version of esports, and the vibe when people get into it is really amazing.
The eSport club started earlier this year. It was started because there was a lack of an eSport club here at Curtin. There wasn't one originally, and I thought I might as well start it up. Today they're playing Overwatch, which is like a 6v6 arena game. To be a good Overwatch gamer, you would have to have good coordination. You definitely need teamwork. Teamwork is a key aspect of your game. You find as you go on, you find yourself getting better, and you find yourself reacting to things more, like way quicker than before. The club's set up for a wide range of gamers, whether you play every day or whether you play once a week, or whether you're a professional or you're just casual as, so it doesn't really matter, you can join Curtin eSports.